So today we're going to put on some 12.5mm spacers by Mode Auto Concept. These will be going on a 2019 A4 Avant, and look at the quality. They're really nice. They should bring the fitment out quite well. And if you notice here, it says do not fit to Mercedes-Benz AMG. Now someone will be able to tell me the reason why, but maybe they can't they can't handle it. I don't know. So as you can see, these are the old studs, and the new ones here are 12.5mm to take up for the spacer, so they're extended. But the only downside to these is they aren't the unique lock key style. They're just your standard 17mm head. So I've just taken the wheel off here and thought I'll give it a clean up while it's off. Bit of a shout out to Chemical guys, because this is decent stuff. Just for a quick detail. So here we have a before, and you can see there that it's fairly tucked into the guard. And then you can see on this side, it's come out a lot further. It's a lot more flush with the guard. It still needs to probably be lowered, but it's a lot better than what it was. And I still think that if it was to come down an inch or so, you'd be safe. You'd probably you might avoid rubbing. The guards might have to be rolled, but we'll see. So that's a full set of spacers on, 12.5mm all round. It's got to come down, it's way too high. So if anyone wants to drop a comment and recommend some springs or coilovers, be very appreciated. And for those wondering why I've put these on, when I ordered these rotiforms, the KPSs, they actually didn't clear the front calipers. So I've just put these spacers on for the clearance, and thought I'd just keep it uniform by putting the rears on as well. And again, these are from Mode Auto Concepts. They do most cars, I believe. So if you're looking to do the same, check them out.